Hello everyone. Today our topic is a quantitative assessment of blockchain technology intention among manufacturing companies in Sichuan, China. Currently, the growth of China's manufacturing industry has slowed down, even in Sichuan province of China. The disparity is caused by factors such as rising labor cost, environmental regulation, and the unfavorable trade environment. The characteristic of blockchain technology include decentralization, transparency, and security, and it is regarded as the key tool for promoting the digital transformation of the manufacturing industry. Though it has great potential, very few companies have actually adopted this technology. Therefore, the objective of this study is understand the degree of intention to adopt blockchain technology among manufacturing firms in Sichuan, China through the quantitative research. The determinant of such intention in Chinese manufacturing industry are explored. In China's manufacturing industry, the application of blockchain still face many challenges. Those challenges include the complexity of blockchain technology, which is difficult to learn, and few people understand this technology and know how to use it. Although the initial cost of using this blockchain is very high, coupled with the difference between small and medium-sized companies and large companies, the lack of the comprehensive regulation by the government, as well as technical security risk, data security, and the absence of the third part or policy support system. All of these hinder the application of this technology in manufacturing companies. In previous study, it has been shown that through issues have been impact on the intention to adopt blockchain technology. At the technical aspect, relative advantage and the compatibility positive influence the intention of adopt blockchain, while the complexity is the main obstacle. And about the organizational aspect, IT resource and the cost is important and crucial, but the role of the top management suppose is controversial. Finally, about the environmental aspect, the competitive pressure is the strong driving force, but the effect of the government regulation varies by region. Therefore, based on the above content, this study follows the TOE framework, proposed 11 hypotheses. The TOE framework is a comprehensive approach for understanding the purpose of new technology adoption. It includes the technology, organization, and environmental. About the technical factors, we have the relative advantage, compatibility, complexity, uncertainty, and security. And about the organizational factors, we have IT resource, top management support, cost, concerns, firm size. Finally, about the environmental factors, we have the competitive pressure, external support, government regulation. All of this the relationship with the intention of blockchain technology. Next, this study employed a quantitative research method to collect questionnaire data from the 175 manufacturing companies in Sichuan province and analyze the data using the smart POS. The sampling method used was propulsive sampling, and the target respondents were product managers of manufacturing companies in Sichuan region. And the result, the data passed the reliability and validity test. The Chromebox was greater than 0.7 for all items, and the AVE was greater than 0.5 for all items. Ensure the quality of the data. The results show that relative advantage, compatibility, IT resource, and competitive pleasure, uncertainty, and security had a significant positive impact on the intention to adopt blockchain technology. So the hypotheses 1, 2, 4, 5 are supposed. On the contrary, the complexity, cost, concern, top management supposed, and film size show a significant negative relationship on the intention to adopt blockchain technology. So the hypotheses 3, 7, 6, 8 are supposed. It is worth noting that what is usually regarded as the positive influencing factors is top management supposed has instead had a negative impact. This may indicate a gap between the leadership advocacy and the operational preparation. Meanwhile, the external support and the government regulation did not show significant effect, indicate that there might be deficiencies in the institutional support ecosystem, though the hypotheses 10 and 11 are not supposed. Finally, the theoretical significance fills a gap in blockchain adoption research for manufacturing companies in Sichuan, China, and confirmed the positive factors: relative advantage, compatibility, IT resource, competitive pleasure, uncertainty, and security. Identified new negative factors: external support, cost, and film size, providing a new evidence to refine the adoption theories. And then about the practical guideline for the enterprises. And prioritize internal IT resource enhancement and leverage competitive pleasure for blockchain adoption. Reduce the reliance on external support. Feasible for SME, explore consortial chains to share costs and mitigate large-scale independent investment. Finally, about the policy recommendation, highlight the deficiency in current government regulation. Advocate for the more specific incentive measures proposed to establish a region blockchain experimental platform to reduce the complete trial and error cost. This is the journal content of our research. Thank you for watching our video.